How to set light mode on Play Store. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set light mode on Play Store. First go to Play Store and then click on your profile here. So go to the settings and then click settings, and now click this one, general, and then now all you need to do is just click this one, theme, and then just click light mode. And as you see, Play Store has been turned to light mode, and if you want to turn it back again, just go to settings and then general, dim, and set dark mode. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.